Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make music in Strudel. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Strudel editor. This powerful tool allows you to create music using code. You'll see a console where you can type commands. Start by entering basic patterns to hear immediate sonic feedback. It's an intuitive way to begin your live coding journey, offering a unique approach to music creation. Now, let's craft some basic rhythms. Type D1 followed by a pattern of drum sounds, for example, D1$ kick snare. This creates a simple beat. You can easily swap out kick or snare for other samples to change the feel. Try setting the tempo to 120 beats per minute for a standard pace. Playing with these elements helps you build a solid rhythmic foundation. To add more depth, let's introduce melodies and effects. Use P1 to define a melodic pattern, perhaps P$N-C-E-G. Then, enhance your sounds by adding effects like delay or reverb. You can layer these patterns, for instance, combining D1 and P1 to create a fuller musical texture. Experiment with different combinations to discover unique sonic landscapes. Strudel truly shines in live performance. You can modify your patterns and effects in real time, creating dynamic and evolving music on the fly. Once you're happy with your creation, you can easily export your performance as a high-quality audio file to share with others. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Keep exploring and creating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.